guys, it's Sruti,
Moer, and Nicole from the Fertola pilot.
And today we're going to be reviewing
Lalaland.
So today we have the Lala Classic Avocado Toast, the Banana Cloud Chai Latte,
and I got the Arnold Palmer Cooler. I got the Matcha Squares Latte and an almond croissant.
These two are size mediums and this is a size large.
Size large.
So now we're going to start with the avocado toast, which was $12.50.
Wait, I like the bread is really soft. The avocado is also really, it's like whipped. And then also the avocado, I feel like you can't really taste the avocado, like the actual hint of avocado that much. I think there's like vinegar or something in it that like, I don't really know my sauce, but it's like mixed in with avocado.
Well, I think lemon.
I think
sourdough bread. Well, yeah, it's sourdough bread, but I think in the like avocado there's lemon. It's a little bit sour, but I think it tastes really good.
I think it's mid.
But I also think the ratio to bread and avocado is a little too much avocado for my taste.
Yeah, but I think overall, like I would say, like this is pretty good. But I just like for $12, I think like it could be better. It's just like I feel like it's kind of under seasoned. Like I think it needs more salt.
For the avocado toast, I'd give it like a 6 out of 10.
I would give it like a 3 out of 10. I'd give it a 6.5 out of 10. And then our next food item is this almond croissant. I think it was $4. It might have been more. It's like warmed up and it looks pretty crispy and it has like almond flakes. So we're gonna try it. It's just so good. Wait, there's like so much depth to this one. I feel like there's like, it's not just a croissant. Wait, there's like
there's filling on the inside.
Yeah, wait, and also there's like this top part that's like not part of the croissant.
Let's show the inside. There's like this. Wait, show.
I think there's like coconut. Oh, there is on the inside.
There's filling on the inside.
Yeah.
It's like a grainy taste, but it's really good. It's very buttery, and the like filling and the croissant like even out a little bit, so it's like not too dry and not too like wet, which is very good.
I would say like this croissant is really good, but I feel like I like my croissants like really like crunchy on top, and I feel like this one was really soft, but the flavor is really really good.
For the almond croissant, I'd give it like a 8 out of 10.
I would give it like an 8.5. Wait, I would give it a 10. I really like it. Ooh. Okay, next for our first drink, we have the medium matcha squared latte. This one is just straight up matcha, and on top, it has like a little bit of, I think it's like another matcha foam on top, and we're gonna try it.
But I don't know. I'm not too much of a matcha connoisseur. I'm not too much of a matcha connoisseur, but I taste a lot of milk in that. I'm not sure if that's right. Because also this is a matcha squared. There's double the amount of matcha, so that's a little bit, I'm not sure if I'm just getting the cold from the top.
Whole milk.
Oh yeah, it's whole milk, but like it's a little bit too much milk heavy. Can't really taste the matcha, but other than that, it's pretty good. It's pretty sweet. I like it. Okay. Maybe don't get the matcha with whole milk.
Yeah, like I think overall like this matcha, like it just kind of, I would say like it's like it tastes a lot like milk with like a bit of matcha, and it's supposed to be matcha squared, but overall I think it's like a pretty good matcha. Wait, the first time I tasted it, I thought it was really good, but wait, I feel like the matcha flavor died down the second time I tried it, so I don't know, but I still really like it. I think it's a really good drink overall. It just doesn't have like that like superior matcha feel, you know. For the price point it's at, I feel like it should be.
Oh yeah, and the matcha was $7.50, so pretty pricey for a drink.
Wait, I would rate the matcha like an 8.5 out of 10. I would rate it like a 6 out of 10.
I would rate it like a 6 as well. Moving on to the Banana Cloud Chai, which was $6.95.
Wait, I feel like this drink really lives up to its name, because at first when I like picked it up, I could really smell the chai, and then at first I tasted the chai and then I tasted the banana. So I really like this one because you can really taste like both parts of the name.
Wait, I really like this drink, but I'm low-key biased because I don't like chai at all. Yeah, I don't like chai at all, but I think that it was like very, like kind of like how Nicole said, it was very like banana and chai, and I feel like it's a pretty good drink overall.
Yeah, I tasted a lot of banana. I'm not sure if it was just like the cloud both of them, but it was mostly banana. I didn't really taste the chai. Wait, no, actually I do taste the chai. And it's like a good mix, but the banana overpowers a little bit, but that's not a bad thing. So I would give it like a 8.5 out of 10.
I would give it like a 7.
I would give it a 7.5 too.
Last but not least, we have the Arnold Palmer cooler, and for the coolers, you get like a bunch of varieties of tea you can pick from. I got the peach mango green tea, so it's just lemonade and then the tea. Okay, yeah, I'll go first. Thought this would be really good. It doesn't taste like an Arnold Palmer at all, because I've had like a lot of Arnold Palmers and they're usually sweeter and like they're a little bit like lemonade, but this one, like, it just tastes really, really sour overall.
Yeah, I also thought it was very sour. Wait.
It's not that sweet though.
Yeah, it's not very sweet, and I usually think like Arnold Palmers are like pretty sweet.
It tastes like sour with water. Like I taste sour, but I don't taste like
Like lemonade
I don't know
or tea,
what else is supposed to be there.
But yeah, I think overall, like, this drink, like, wait, I think the price for a large was $5.20 with tax. It wasn't, like, it's definitely on the cheaper side of the drinks, but I wouldn't say it's, like, that worth it. So I would give it, like, a solid, like, 4 out of 10.
Oh, I think I'd give it like a 6 out of 10.
I'd give it probably a 4 as well.
Final thoughts.
So first, I'm gonna talk about like the wait. So today is May 3rd, and their official opening was yesterday. So obviously there was a lot of people. So the wait was like the line, like kind of wrapped around the corner of the store. So, but it wasn't that long of a wait. Surprisingly, it was around 20 to 30 minutes, I think, and the line moved pretty fast. And then when we got there, it was like someone took our order, and then we got our drinks after like, I want to say 10, 15-ish minutes. So it wasn't like horrible, especially since we came right after it opened, but it was definitely something you have to keep in mind. I'm not sure if this wait will stay for weeks to come, so I think the wait could be worth it depending on how much you're willing to spend. Yeah.
I would say prices overall are more on the expensive side, because this is a medium at Lalaland, and you can see like it's very small, and usually this would be considered like a small at other stores, and like for $7, like I'm not really expecting like this tiny of a drink. But for like the food, I would say the avocado toast is more on the expensive side. $12 is a little steep, I would say, but the croissant I feel like is pretty average and pretty worth it because it is so big. But for drinks overall, I would say it is pretty expensive.
As for food quality, I would say I feel like the avocado toast doesn't taste super rich in avocado. I feel like the bread kind of dulls it out. The drinks, I think the quality of the drinks is pretty good. The matcha, I would say, isn't like what you would think is like premium grade matcha, though, I feel like. But I really like the chai in the chai latte. And wait, I don't really know how this is supposed to taste, so I don't really have that many thoughts on that one. But I love the almond croissant. Like, if there's anything I have to recommend, it's the freaking almond croissant. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's really, really good.
I love like the texture and like the different taste differences in this. It's really good.
Yeah, so I would definitely recommend the food items maybe over the drinks.
Or at least not the like coolers is what they call them. The coffee is not bad, but yeah.
I would say overall Lalaland is a 4 out of 5.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Sruti,
Moer,
And Nicole with the Portola Pilot.
bye.